Does the thought of visiting a dentist make you feel nervous? Well, then you're not alone. You see, dental anxiety affects millions of people, but the good news is you can overcome it. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple tricks and effective techniques to make you feel comfortable with your dentist and experience a pain-free dentistry. Dental anxiety stems from fear of the unknown. It could be previous bad experience with the dentist or just the sound of a drill. You see, over a period of time, not visiting the dentist because of dental anxiety and nervousness can lead to neglect of oral health, which just compounds or multifolds your issues. But modern dentistry has completely evolved and it's a game changer right now. With latest patient-friendly approach and pain-free technology, we can make sure that your visit to the dentist makes you feel at ease and comfortable. One of the most important ways to help you alleviate dental anxiety is you talk to your dentist. You have to speak about your previous experience with the dentist, the conditions that can cause pain to you, or make sure that your dentist explains all the procedures to you to make sure that you're completely comfortable there. The second that you could try is you could try some relaxation techniques where you listen to some music or focus on your deep breathing techniques to make you feel at ease. You could also wear a headphone, or you could choose to watch something at the dentist's place so that it acts like a complete distraction and keeps your mind away from whatever is happening around you. Also, prefer or choose to have morning appointments so that you feel completely relaxed in the morning and the dentist is also able to focus better and deliver the best. And number 5 would be to choose the best technology that is available for you. Make sure that dentist explains all the technology and uses the best available resources to help you alleviate dental anxiety. Some of the techniques that can help you alleviate dental anxiety begins first with talking to your dentist. You have to make sure that you speak to your dentist about what is comfortable for you, about your previous experiences with other dentists, if any, and also explain to him the conditions that you will be averse to and that can trigger your dental anxiety. This conversation is important to make sure that your dentist is aware of your boundaries and he can deliver the best results possible for you. We at Opus Dental Specialities go the extra mile to make sure that your dental visit is completely pain-free and stress-free. We use the latest technologies, which includes laser for doing certain procedures. We have a microscope to carry out root canal treatments for you. And we also have a very friendly patient-centric approach to make sure that we spend enough time with the patient and understand their boundaries before we start doing any procedures. And at last, we have a very calming and a serene environment for our patients to chill and relax, just to make sure that their experience is enriched.
So are you ready to take your first step towards stress-free dental care? Visit us at Opus Dental Specialities and experience it yourself.